go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Choose the drive that you want to free up space for. I'm going to go with my C drive and then click on OK. And now once this comes up, you want to tick everything and then click on clean up system files. And now once this comes up, you want to tick everything again and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. Next, go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. You want to delete all the applications that you don't use. For example, I don't use the calculator, so I'm going to click on the three dots, uninstall, then I'm going to uninstall it. Delete all the applications that you don't use. Next, you want to go to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. Select storage sense. Scroll down and then select run storage sense now. Go back to storage. Click on clean up recommendations. If it recommends anything here to be cleaned up, then you can delete them. Delete these files that will come up here. Click on storage and then click on show more categories. And you can check out this whole list, like your documents, other folder, pictures. If there's anything here, then you can delete them if you don't need it. Next, you want to go to search and type in run. Click on it. In this box, you want to type in temp and then click on enter. These are your temporary files. Delete everything here. So do Ctrl A to highlight everything and then click on delete. Next, go to search again and type in run. Click on it. Now you want to type in %temp%. Click on enter and then do the same thing. Ctrl A, delete. If you get this, click on do this for current items and then click on try again. If it comes up again, tick the box and then click on skip. We're going to do it one more time. Go to search and type in run. Click on it. Now you want to type in prefetch. Click on enter and then continue. Do the same thing. Ctrl A, delete. Tick the box, try again. Tick the box, skip. Lastly, come to your desktop, find your recycle bin, right click on it, and then click on empty recycle bin, and then click on yes. Then you're done.